Well, hello YouTubers. I hope everybody's well. Well, here is the sexy Accuphase E-303X integrated stereo amplifier. Woohoo! Isn't she a beauty? Hey, just look at this, hey. She's so gorgeous. Well, I got it repaired. And it was worth it. A little bit of money, but it was worth it. She is just gorgeous. Yep, so basically, Dunn Industries have really outdid themselves. Let's have a look, eh? Let's have a look. Oh, look at this beast. Have a look at that transformer, people. Woo! It's been recapped, fully recapped. Power caps original. Very good. Tested A1. So, got all that done. Just look at it, eh? It's cleaned. Still a little bit of touch. I'm still going to clean it a little bit because I'm going to keep this unit. But we're gonna put it on eBay. It's not going to be cheap. Okay? It's fully redone. Transformer fully redone too. Even the wiring exactly. Okay? As per Accuphase. Alright, still put the actual fuse in there. That's the fuse. Okay? I mean, just look at it, eh? Just beautiful. Yep. A lot of work on this old girl. Sorry, young girl. Yeah. So basically, it's fully recapped and just beautiful. Hang on, there's too much light in there. Just look at this. All Nichicon, Rubicon, Panasonic. 3 different manufacturers. And once again, I stress this: manufacturers have put 5 different manufacturing capacitors. All right. Now, if these went, which they test like new, I couldn't believe it, then we would do the caps for this. Audio Classic Hi-Fi would manufacture the caps for this. All right, very expensive from Japan, so we will do in here exactly specification on this cap. We will do it. Okay, they're not cheap. For 2 power caps. We don't do small ones. Again, we don't do these. I get a lot of questions. So sorry, emails. Oh, can you do this? Oh, no, I'm not interested in little caps. Little caps are already taken care of. These are getting harder to get. Very hard. So, the boards, Elna boards, they're good, robust, very robust actually. Elna boards, they used to do beautiful boards. I don't know why they stopped doing them. I don't know if they stopped. I have to find out actually. I might send an email to Elna Japan and ask them. Yeah. So this is just beautiful, eh? I mean, just look at it, eh? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, mamma mia. This is Bella. Oh, beautiful lady. Look at the curves. Oh, yeah. This is just a beautiful, beautiful integrated amp. You know, and it's been tested. Still a little bit of touch, you know, but it's, as you can see, I've put it all together. The only problem is the lights. I don't know why they're not coming on here, so we have to fix them. They're good. I might put stronger lights. I might put LEDs in there. I'm not too sure. I've got LED screw-ons, which is good. Test them out, you know. And here they're not working, so we have to test them out. Probably they're blown. But anyway, so there she is, people. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, so, I mean, what can you say? I'm very pleased. Thank you, Dunn Industry, for your help to rebuild this transformer to its specs. I am very happy. Right, they put the casing on this. Bit hot the actual thing. That's good. You know, bias. We did the bias on both left and right. Okay, left and right. We did the biasing. Beautiful. Roughly about 30. 29, 30. Fluctuate. Beautiful. Happy with that. Happy with that. The biasing. Yep, and look, I mean, it's just a beautiful amp. Integrated amp. It's just beautiful. Well built. So, I'll put up on eBay. I mean, I really don't want to sell it. I've got a couple. One is in the box, and the other one is just, you know, basically put away. So, but I was going to use this just for the turntable. Yeah, but anyway, it doesn't matter. If I sell it, I sell it. If not, no skin off my nose. All right, we don't need the money, but somebody might enjoy this. Maybe they haven't got one, or they're dying to get one. Well, here it is. All right, this is just a beautiful lamp. All right, so if anybody wants this, send me an email, but it's going to be on eBay anyway, so just going to test the market out there, which I know it'll sell, but I really don't want to sell it. I'm still thinking about it. But anyway, look, you can email me. I've just got too much gear. I need to get rid of it. I'm doubling up in everything. So anyway, look, as I said, if you're interested, let me know, and we'll take it from there. All right. So now let's play a bit of Phil Collins music. All right. Okay. Enjoy. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful sound. Oh, well, you know, I don't want to see you go, but I just love my gear. I just love them. I love the quality of Accuphase. The quality their engineers are absolutely fantastic. You know, you just can't say Accuphase is rubbish, which is not. It's a high end. You know, and they're still around, which is a good sign. That's what we need, people. You know, but now you need to pay. You need to pay for their, you know, which is good. Look, they're, you know, their technology. They got, you know, they got their own lab, Accuphase. Look, I mean, you know, you just can't. What can I say about this amp? It's absolutely just beautiful. I was going to put a classic music. Oh, just beautiful. You know, but you know, I haven't got high-end speakers in here, so you know, if I put it in the other room, in my listening room, which I will one day, I will show my listening room. I've got a lot of gear out there, but this is just absolutely beautiful, and I'm happy, so happy that I bring it back to life. There was a lot of issues on this, not only the transformers, you know, caps were shot, you know, transistors, had to replace left and right channel transistors, all of them. And original Toshibas. I mean, I'll show you, look. Toshibas. Original. There they are. You know. Original Toshibas. I mean, and I'm lucky I can get these things. You know, I mean, the recapping, the actual recapping, not the power caps, the actual recapping, recapped all this unit, all these boards, sorry, you know, by, you know, even here, by Hobbyalf. You know, he came back, he came, you know, and rescued me again. And he sells these kits now. Before he wasn't, so yeah, he's got all the values. And again, they're not cheap, you know. But he can get the actual filter caps, sorry, the power caps, right? He can get them, which you know, look, I can't, but he can. And if I said to him, okay, look, oh, I want Nichicon or Elna or whatever, and he can do it, no problem, the same dimensions and everything else, but we can do them here now, which Hobbyalf is very happy, and because he's basically selling our caps as well with his kits. Just with the kits, he's selling them. And he's been getting good feedback. So, hey, as I said, our caps are high-end, but you need to pay for them, unfortunately, because the material that goes into the actual capacitors, and they're handmade, very expensive. So, you know, yeah, once again, thank you, Hobbyalf. And once again, I thank myself because I've put a lot into this. And I know these amps, I've done a lot of them. Not this model. This is the second one I did, but not this model. I've done other Accuphase older than this as well. And no complaints from customers going back 5 years ago. So nothing came back because once again, we put an effort into them. We basically put our heart and soul into getting this beautiful gear back up and working for people so they can enjoy their music. All right. So, okay, well, what can I say? So if you need any recapping, repair, whatever, any types of amps. Now, unfortunately, we are only doing high-end now. amps, because the lower end, look, unfortunately, they're just too much time. There's not enough money into them. So now we're basically doing high-end amps and amp receivers and, you know, integrated amps, whatever, turntables, whatever, tape decks. Yeah, so anyway, so we're going to be doing that. So there's more to come. And yeah, so but I can't show every repair I do. That's impossible. You know, I can't do that. All right, I've got other things to do. I've got a lot of repairs to do. You know, I've got to basically give my heart and soul to my customers' gear. And this is mine now, this one. And that's it now. So it's going to be up for sale. As I say, I don't want to sell it, but, well, you know, and it's not going to be cheap. It's going to be in the thousands of dollars. And if anybody wants to get the price, they have to send me an email. Okay, that's all there is to it. I'm not going to give the price on YouTube. No, I won't do that. Okay, so, and that's it. So basically it's new. This is new. Transformer's new. You know, and that's it. Okay. Okay. Bye.